new week, happy new week from Smile Hot Tech. As you can see, all I just want to let you guys know that distance is not a problem. From Lagos to Calabar is just a stone throw. So anything you're looking for, we specialize on laptops, specialize on laptop, gadgets, accessories, iPhones. We repair, we maintain. We also sell accessories too. Any kind of accessories you want. If your laptop is giving you issues, don't fail to bring it to Smart Tech. We've got you covered. Software, installation, hardware, repairs, any laptop of any of your choice, any laptop at all you're looking for. Gaming laptop, Alienware, HP Lightbook, Dell. Now you need a graphics system that you can use for graphics design. Smart Tech got you covered. You sell any system you're looking for. So that's it. I love it.
Je sais là ça devant, à dire la carte.
Just tell us what you want. So, we don't talk much. People who have patronized me, people who know me, they know me. I'm not the kind of person that talks much. My business is strict. I'm a strict person. Once you bring deal, I give you the best. I give you what you want. Okay, this thing.
What?
What's that? What's it? This is everything Allied book. HP Allied book with a very good specification. So just tell me the one you want. I've got you covered. This time is not the problem. Okay.